You wanna give me a cheers? Cheers. We're in the American lounge. Got a mimosa, waiting for our flight. I like how it's just like, I'm in the American lounge drinking a mimosa, teehee. No, we are in the American lounge because Nick, my boyfriend, travels for work and he's there like traveling all the freaking time, and he flies American and joined their like Premier Access Club or whatever it's called, because he literally travels like almost every single week. But I just decided not to include that valuable information, so my hair looks weird. Bye. This is what we got to eat. It's a southwestern quesadilla and we added chicken and it looks so good. What do you think?
Oh, I'm ready to eat.
You ready to dive in? Oh my god. Look how like cheesy it is. Oh ho ho ho. Okay, we're gonna try it.
You think you could get used to this?
I could get used to this. We made it to Utah. We're in our Airbnb. I'm gonna give you a tour, of course. And I'm so excited for the weekend. It's cold. Glad that I came prepared and I brought like so many sweaters and like snow pants and stuff. Yeah, let's get on to the tour. Here's the main entryway. Got a nice table, living room set up here. And then to the left is the kitchen. And I really like these lights. Cute little bar stools, and there she is. And then down this way is our room where Nick is.
What up?
And we're unpacking our things. My station is over here. I'm trying to be organized because I have a lot of like outfits and stuff. Here's another bedroom that our friends are staying in. And then this is the other bedroom that our friends are staying in as well.
You got a balcony, you know?
We have a balcony,
Right there, look.
but the fun starts tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Good morning from Salt Lake City. It's our first morning here, and my friend Mary and I are actually gonna go like downtown and go explore and go thrifting and shopping and just kind of hang out because we plan on skiing 2 days in a row after this, and I just know I wouldn't be able to do 3 days. Like, I would want to do something else. So I'm doing the like exciting exploring shopping first, and then Saturday and Sunday will be skiing days. I had some toast, eggs, and bacon and avocado this morning for breakfast. I haven't had any caffeine yet, so that's a must. But yeah, we're just waiting on our Uber and we're gonna go, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and we're gonna go thrifting, and it's gonna be super fun. And I just can't. Do, do, do. Yeah. Get into our Uber. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, this looks so good. Ah, look at that salad.
So incredible.
In the kitchen making dinner, and this is the biggest pot of mac and cheese ever. We're back at the Airbnb and we're making dinner for everyone because everyone's coming back from the mountain. We're having bacon mac and cheese, fried chicken, and salad. And then we're also gonna make frozen margaritas because there's a margarita maker here. So we went to like a liquor store and bought tequila and all the fixings. Really cool stuff. Oh, we should have gone like ketchup for the chicken and stuff. We don't have any condiments. We've got the chicken here. This is like 8 boxes of mac and cheese. It's gonna be a good night. We got the mac and cheese, we got the chicken and salad. Looks so good. Good morning, I'm not awake. My throat is so closed up because of the elevation and it's so dry here. But we're going skiing. I'm just like caffeinating and hydrating. And anything I film at the mountain, I'm gonna film on my iPhone because I can't afford to break this camera. But last night we just watched Jojo Rabbit and Love Island. And I only had like 1 margarita, so I feel fine. I'm just exhausted from like the elevation change. Yeah. Yum. Looks good. So I just pretty much fell all the way down that to here. But we did it.
You did awesome.
We made it.
I'm so proud of you, babe.
I literally started crying. Like, I was like hysterically crying because I was so scared. I think my mascara is everywhere. I was literally sobbing at the side of the mountain. And then for like 15 minutes, my boot fell out. And so we were trying to get it back in the ski. Thanks for putting up with me.
You did great. I'm proud of you.
I was literally sobbing, but we got this. It's a video.
Yeah.
Oh. This vlog is gonna be hella shaky.
Like, quivering after that. How's my girl? Feel
Good, yeah.
Feel better?
I need a beer. I need to build my confidence, get a beer.
With a beer, okay.
We had chili and some beer. Oh wait, it's all gone.
Okay. We are hitting the road.
We're going to our last day of skiing, but we have to check out of our Airbnb. It's so heavy. Oh my god, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted.
Exhausted. Holding down the fort.
Cheers. Staying hydrated.
We're at the airport. We just ordered like a beer, calamari, and Caesar salads.
Calamari for 4.
Calamari for 4 people.
It's only $6 more.
Cheers!
I love you.
I love you. Oh, that's good.
I love shitty light beer.
I also love shitty light beer. We're going home.